Hi everyone, we are going to see the paper analysis of GATE 2021 Civil Engineering for the second session. Okay, so we'll also discuss some questions which are memory based questions. We'll discuss those questions in this also. Okay, now if you see so we know that there are some changes in GATE 2021. So changes may be in terms of syllabus or in terms of types of questions. The analysis of paper civil engineering 2 is like this. So if you see the engineering mathematics questions, as IIT Bombay already mentioned that there will be 13 marks for engineering mathematics. Okay, same they have followed the same. So here you can see there are 4 MCQ questions. So there are 4 MCQ questions, 1 NAT question in mathematics. So total 5 1 mark questions. So here they followed 2 MCQ 2 marks question, 2 NAT 2 marks question, so 4. So it will be 5 plus 8, that is 13 marks for mathematics. This followed same thing. Okay, so if you see the engineering mechanics, we got only one question, that too NAT question from 2 marks. So this question is from degrees of freedom, so that is what added in new year syllabus. Okay, so it is SDOF. So it is added this year syllabus. On this particular topic we got question from engineering mechanics. So solid mechanics we got 2 questions, out of which one is MCQ, one is Na2 into 1 mark, and similarly 2 marks questions are 2. So structural analysis only 1 question in 1 mark and 1 question in 2 marks. Okay, so here we got the concept related to fixed end moments. Fixed end moment, one question is like this, like they have asked one structure is like this and it is like this. So it is some UDL and they are saying this joint is rigid. So what will be the reaction at this point, reaction at this joint? So this is very simple question. Okay, so the main thing is, like we can see here, there are 5 marks weightage in construction materials and management, 5 marks. Okay, out of which 2 are 2 marks questions, one is 1 mark questions. So one question is like seasoning of timber leads to what? So that is one question in construction materials and management. And here we can see one question as a project completion time. So we can say a critical path method, and one more is related to the uh, investment, and one more question we got related to bids. I think one more 1 mark question is we got from this related to bids. Okay, and coming to the concrete structures, so we got only one question in this and another question in 2 marks NAT. Okay, so steel structure we got only one question. So that is so they have given like this, you can see. Okay, we'll discuss. Okay, so soil mechanics, so soil mechanic questions are very easy. Okay, and so we got 2 1 mark questions and 4 2 marks questions. This can be done very easily. Okay, so foundation engineering questions also very easy. So we got 1 from each, 1 mark and 1 2 marks. Okay, so similarly fluid mechanics, we got, this is also very easy questions, 2 1 mark questions, 3 2 marks questions. And hydrology questions, 1 1 mark and 1 2 marks, this is also very simple question. And irrigation only 1 mark question, this is also very too easy question. And environmental questions are 3 1 mark questions and 4 2 marks questions. And transportations are 4 1 mark questions, 3 2 marks questions. Geomatics are 2 1 mark questions, 1 2 marks questions. So we are worried about the type of questions, right? So as IIT Bombay mentioned that there will be 3 types of questions. One is MCQ question, that we are familiar with that, and one more is NAT. NAT is also familiar. We are solving questions from 2014 for of NAT questions, right? And this time they have added only one more type of question, that is MSQ, right? So we are worried that how they will ask. Okay, what type of question they will ask. Okay, but in civil engineering paper 2 they have asked only one MSQ question, that too from environmental, and that question is very easy, like we will not confuse about that question, right? So they have given four statement, out of four statements which one is correct answer. These are this type of questions are we are familiar with those type of questions, right? So only one MSQ question is added. So here you can see one MSQ question is added in environmental engineering, only one MSQ question in uh, civil engineering paper 2. So this is what the paper analysis. Okay, so coming to, like, we can see there are so I can say that the NAT questions are this time is very high. Okay, you can see 28 questions out of 55, that means more than 50 percentage, that is 60% questions are NAT only. Okay, and MCQ questions are comparatively last year, this time MCQ questions are very less and NAT questions are very high compared to last year. And coming to the difficulty level, so I can say our difficulty level is like, we have seen this type of questions from past so many years, gate 20, and like gate 2020 paper is little bit tougher than a gate 2021. Okay, so we can see various types of questions in gate 2020, but we cannot find those many questions in gate 2021, different types of questions. Okay, so I think this time cutoff will be more compared to last year. Okay, last year paper was a little bit tough, but this time little bit easier. Okay, and so coming to the models, so like we every year we used to see there will be 5 to 6 type of different types of questions in gate paper, right? So but this time we hardly see one or two questions which are different. Okay, which we used to focus more on studies such that we can solve those questions, but this time there are very rare questions, one or two questions. Okay, so remaining questions are, we are familiar with those questions, and we can solve those questions very easily. So that's what I can say.